Hey everybody, it's Mucha Marapa of Matrix Global Media and creator of the Facebook Timeline Management Blueprint. And in this video, what I wanted to do was get to the real sort of core of what the blueprint is all about, and that is allowing you and teaching you how you can create really meaningful content that can result in sales. It can result in additional fans to your page, additional emails to your list, and at the same time not being a massive time suck on you, right? So what I really am moving towards showing you how easy it is to create 7 days of quality content within 60 minutes each week. So basically I'm saying an hour of your time a week can give you 7 days of great content that also enables you to grow your fans, build your email list, and also sell, while adding some really good value as well on the page. So what I wanted to do, this is going to be a short video where I whiz through it, but I wanted to just show you exactly how we go about and do that. Alright, so what I've got here, if you like, is my little schedule of Monday through Sunday, and I'm actually filming this on a Tuesday, full disclosure here, so I'll explain why that isn't the case. Now actually in the blueprint itself, there's the section where we really get into the make or break of posting, and if we have a look down here, you can see the ways to post. It's just gone one page too many. Right here, if you can see the ways to post, I've pretty much said, there are ways and how to post and what to post. Okay, now what I mean by that, ways and hows, you can see those 7 numbers at the bottom there. I talk about timeline covers, status updates, highlights, milestones, videos, polls. Julie Larson of Cloud Bloomers very kindly shot a video on posting an event, and she did it so well I thought, you know what, I'm just going to ask Julie to do that for me. So what I'm trying to say here is that the two things you've got to sort of get your head around is, number one, the variety in which you can post on your timeline, and secondly, the content, the quality of the content that you put in, which must be highly strategic. Of course, if something happens in the in the world or in the economy, we're currently here in the UK celebrating a Wimbledon victory, a British Wimbledon victory. Yeah, you could go ahead and post that. Of course you can, but that must be more sort of reactive as opposed to the proactive stuff that you actually put together. All right, so I go on over here, and this is just a bit of a summary. I'm saying Monday cover image, I've put a code there, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we're going to go through each one. Okay, so first of all, let's now head over to Monday. And what Monday was all about was me just going ahead and changing my cover. That was it, just changing the cover. Now as I move over to another news feed, alright, which actually likes the page where I change the cover, because I'm dealing with timeline dimensions. It's called timeline dimensions at the moment. I'll explain that a little bit more. I'd originally set this up just as a sort of visual page where people could go ahead and have a good look at what real estate they had to work with when the new changes came around in March 2012. So this is the actual page that I'm posting. So as again you can see, on day 1 all I did was I went ahead and I changed the cover. That was it. Okay, now what would have happened with somebody's newsfeed that liked the page would have seen FB Timeline dimensions updated their cover photo. Okay, that's all, but it's a visual one. All right, and what will happen a lot of the time, people will either like or they'll comment, or even better, they will go ahead and click. All right, and if they click your cover, then it gives you an opportunity to go ahead and write, once a week we'll have a timeline review, and this week's video covers a fan page I never get tired of visiting. If you went ahead and you clicked it, it would take you to the actual YouTube channel where I've gone ahead and done something. So again, it's something highly instructive, but just from a very simple cover change, I've gone away and added great value. Now the way you're going to do that is, once you've gone ahead and added your cover, you've changed your cover, just click the cover itself, go to edit there, click edit on, it'll give you an opportunity to write something. So that was Monday, and that was all it is. And actually if I move down here, right? Thus far, had 160 people see the post, no likes or comments yet. I haven't asked any questions, but the specific thing for me here was really to get them to go somewhere else to the YouTube channel and watch the video, and sort of allow me to do a bit more positioning as an authority on how best to set up your timeline. So number 2, poll question on change of name. Now, the reason why I'm doing that now, and I did the cover image yesterday, is because these, in addition to milestones, are the ones that you've got to do manually. Everything else you can automate, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the poll question on the change of name. So what is a really effective tactic here that not enough people use on timeline is the whole poll questions. All right, so you go there, you go over to question, and it allows you to create a sort of multiple choice style of questions. So again, I go on here, let me just go back, it's on Tuesday, I've done that. Okay, just prepared it. Alright, so, and basically I'm actually thinking of changing the name on this page. The response from people has just been so fantastic, and I'm just saying, why limit myself to just the real estate on a page, particularly as I have so many other timeline pages, and maybe I could just integrate everything into one. So here we are. I've just gone ahead and asked the question, prepared it previously, of course. Alright, and then I just go in here. Alright, and let me just tidy it up a little bit, but this is it. So I've said, hey everyone, I need your feedback, please. I'm thinking of making the content on this fan page a little more broad. So instead of just discussing the timeline real estate, I can also provide great tips, videos, and articles on design, management, marketing, custom tabs, growing likes, and learning how to sell via Facebook. My question is, how would you feel about this? And now I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to put some questions there. Okay, let me just find them. Okay, and I put 4. And the important thing about actually doing this is that your crowd, your herd, as Dan Kennedy likes to say, your fans, your customers, your prospects, the people you are looking to influence will really help you here. And the reason they'll help you is you can ask them questions about, what's bothering you about this, what's bothering you about that, what you enjoy, how much success are you having doing this, and the answers that they give you really can lay the foundation for what you go ahead and provide for them. Okay, so I just go over here, that's it, it's done. Alright, and because this is today, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to post this question now. So this is in real time, and this is my Tuesday post. Okay, now setting the questions up literally just took a few minutes, and implementing it here took next to no time. Alright, so here it is, and that's my Tuesday post. So now Wednesday I shot a video, and this was a really important video. It just took 2 minutes or so. I was just on my morning stroll and I went ahead and I shot the video, and the significance of that is the fact that when we discuss EdgeRank again, EdgeRank puts a lot of weight in video, and also again when it shows in the newsfeed of others, they're more inclined to go ahead and watch it and click. So what we do here now is I'm actually going to schedule this post. Okay,